So in this question, we have to find the statement which is true among the following. First statement says that lactose contains alpha glycosidic linkage between C1 of lactose and C4 of lactose glucose. Second says that lactose is reducing sugar and it gives Fehling test. Third is on acid hydrolysis, lactose gives one molecule of D plus glucose and one molecule of D plus galactose. And fourth is lactose is a disaccharide and it contains 8 hydroxyl groups. So we will make a diagram of lactose. So structure of lactose is like this, and we can see that it contains beta glycosidic linkage between C1 of galactose and C4 of glucose. So the correct option is first.